Developed by Rytnow, RIMM is an intelligent manufacturing management platform designed to connect every level of your operations, from the shop floor to top management. RIMM empowers operators to simplify daily tasks, reduce manual effort, and get the job done right the first time. Operators can record downtime themselves, taking ownership of their machines. RIMM provides supervisors with a clear, easy-to-understand dashboard that shows the real-time status of all machines across the plant. Machines can be viewed exactly as they are placed on the shop floor, with access to detailed machine-wise performance. Supervisors can also add or update downtime and rejection details instantly using simple, actionable controls, ensuring faster response and smoother operations. RIMM gives plant heads a single, intuitive dashboard with complete plant performance, covering machine-wise OEE, quality, downtime, production, and energy consumption. With real-time machine data on console and easy-to-download reports, plant heads gain clear visibility, identify inefficiencies, and take faster, informed decisions. RIMM enables management to access real-time executive data from all company plants through unified dashboards and structured reports, providing clear visibility, performance insights, and confident decision-making across operations. RIMM, one platform, every role, complete control,